So this experiment is called as a servicing of clutch plate. Okay, clutch assembly. Here clutch assembly means this is called as a clutch assembly. There are different types of clutch assemblies are there. It is a diaphragm clutch assembly, it is a single plate clutch assembly, and then centrifugal clutch assembly. So many things are there. Here we have a diaphragm type of clutch assembly is there. Okay, so here it is a new type of things are nowadays coming in the vehicle. It is a older one. Okay, it is a older one clutch assembly. This clutch assembly have a this is called as a coil spring. The coil springs comes to three coils are coming. Okay, three coil springs are come here. Sorry, not three springs. Three fingers. Okay, three fingers like that. Three fingers are come like that one. Okay, here one finger, here one finger, here one finger. So three fingers are comes to here. This is a clutch assembly. Whenever you press the pedal, this finger will goes to come inside. Then it will come inside means it will drag inside the clutch assembly. So the clutch pressure plate will come inside means it is the pressure plate. This plate will comes to inside. Okay, whenever it will press the pedal, it will come inside means it will go to inside. It will go to inside means it will release the clutch. Okay, it will release the transmission. It will release the transmission to the transmission unit. Okay, this is the clutch liner, clutch plate. The clutch plates are have a metal plate. The both sides are covered by the clutch liner. This is the liner. Okay, this liner is riveted by these rivets, aluminum rivet or brass rivet you are using to rivet the clutch liner. Both sides are linings are make it in the clutch plate. This liner is a abrasive material. This material is when contact with the metal part, it will reduce the friction. It is reduce the noise and heat. Okay, that's why the abrasive materials are we are using. So here this is the clutch plates are there. This is the thrust spring. This thrust spring using for torsional force. Okay, whenever it will rotate in part when you are applying the pedal. So what means it will disengage means some torsion force will acting on the plate. That's why the springs are provided. Okay, then it is a coil spring. These springs are lying at here only. Okay, so it like that it will come. 6 springs are comes here. So the springs are provided like that only. Okay, so these springs comes here underneath. These plates are come like that only. Okay, so like that the okay, it will come like that only. Okay, so whenever you press the pedal, it will go to inside. So the coil springs are very, very important. The coil springs length is very, very important. You check the coil length. Okay, springs length. The springs length is very less means it will not give the proper friction. Okay, so you if the length is degrees means you change the spring. That's all. This is the finger. The finger will goes to van out at here. If you van out at here means it is also replaced. Okay, so these are the things are there. Then it is the pressure plate. This pressure plate comes like that only. So on the clutch plate and pressure plate come this side, the flywheel will come. Okay, the flywheel comes this side. So like that will come. See, this is the flywheel. The flywheel is there and the clutch plates are come like that. Then the pressure plates are come like that only. Okay, like that the arrangements are there. Whenever it will comes to inside, what happen? It will disengage from the in between the flywheel and a pressure plate. Okay, so now you want to service the clutch plate. You check the surface of the pressure plate and you check the surface of the flywheel. You must have some roughness. Otherwise, what will happen? The clutch plate goes to slip. Okay, so you avoid the slip means you make some roughness of the pressure plate, flywheel and the pressure plate. How it will make means you are making some tanning. Okay, if you make a tanning means it will create a rough surfaces. So if you create a rough surface, it will increase the friction. Due to this friction, you avoid the slipness of the clutch plate. So first, what are the things means you are dismantle the clutch assembly from the vehicle. You check the length of the springs and then the clutch plate thickness. Okay, and then roughness of the pressure plate and roughness of the flywheel and then the thrust springs functions and then the material. Okay, the liner material, it's very, very important. So it will goes to harden, it will act as a metal. So if you act as a metal means what will happen? It will goes to increase the friction, increase the noise and heat. Okay, so sometimes the clutch plate will be broken. So that's why you must check the clutch liner quality also, and also the thickness also, the life of the clutch liners. Okay, so these are the things are you must go through it properly in the clutch assembly. If you have a diaphragm clutch means, see here it is fully worn out. That's why this clutch assembly can't using in the vehicle. What is the difference between the two things? If you have any problem in the olden type, you are changing these things. Okay, your fulcrum, it is a fulcrum finger, the fulcrum finger and coil spring. Both things only you are changing. Remaining things are you can using the same only. But in this case, if you have any worn out occur on the diaphragm clutch, the whole things will goes to useless one. So what means, you must check the plate. Okay, like that the plate comes, then only you are using. If you have any wear will occur on the plate means you can't using this plate. The whole assembly you can't use it. But this is the main difference between the older type and the new type. But anyhow, what is the advantages of the diaphragm clutch? If you are pressing the pedal, it will evenly it will goes to activate. It evenly activate means the whole pressure plate comes to very even only. Okay, so it will not be jerking, shudder. These things will not happen in the clutch assembly in the diaphragm clutch. But in this case, the level of the fingers are very, very important. One lever will comes to up, another will goes to down means it will unevenly it will acting means the pressure plates also unevenly contact the flywheel and the pressure plate. So it will unevenly contact means the shudder and jerking will occur. Okay, so these things are happening. So you must check the level of the fingers always. If you have any misalignment in the level means it will goes to shudder or jerking will occur. Okay, these are the different types of clutch assembly servicings are there. Already I will show so many things in the video YouTube also. If you have any doubt means call me, I will explain all these things detailedly. Thank you.